Hey everyone, I'm so glad you're joining me today. We often hear about the importance of staying hydrated, but did you know that dehydration can sneak up on us in subtle ways? It's easy to overlook, yet it can significantly impact our health and well-being. Today we're going to explore 8 signs that you might be dehydrated, and more importantly, how to fix it. So let's dive in. Sign number 1. Thirst. Let's start with the most obvious sign. Thirst. If you're feeling thirsty, it's a clear indication that your body is asking for water. This is your first signal, so don't wait until you're parched. Aim to drink water throughout the day, even if you don't feel thirsty. A good rule of thumb is to have a glass of water with each meal and snack. Sign number 2. Dark urine. Next up is urine color. If you notice your urine is a deep yellow or amber, that's a strong sign you need to hydrate. Ideally, your urine should be a light pale yellow. This is a simple yet effective way to monitor your hydration levels. If it's dark, make it a priority to drink more fluids. Sign number 3. Dry skin. Have you noticed that your skin feels dry or flaky? Dehydration can lead to a loss of moisture in your skin, making it look less vibrant. Staying hydrated helps maintain your skin's elasticity and appearance. If you want that healthy glow, be sure to drink plenty of water and consider using a hydrating moisturizer. Sign number 4. Fatigue. Feeling tired or sluggish. Dehydration can drain your energy levels. When your body is low on fluids, it can struggle to perform at its best, leaving you feeling fatigued. To combat this, keep a water bottle nearby and take sips throughout the day. You'll be surprised at how much your energy can improve. Sign number 5. Headaches. If you're prone to headaches, dehydration might be the culprit. Insufficient fluid intake can cause headaches and migraines in some individuals. If you feel a headache coming on, try drinking a glass of water first before reaching for pain relievers. It could make all the difference. Sign number 6. Dizziness. Dizziness or lightheadedness can also signal dehydration. If you stand up too quickly and feel a bit woozy, it's a sign that your body might be lacking fluids. If you experience this, sit down, take a moment to breathe, and drink some water. It's a quick fix that can help you feel more stable. Sign number 7. Hunger pangs. Sometimes our bodies can confuse thirst with hunger. If you find yourself craving snacks, try drinking a glass of water first. You might discover that what you really needed was hydration, not food. This simple habit can help you avoid unnecessary snacking and keep your diet on track. Sign number 8. Muscle cramps. Finally, if you experience muscle cramps, especially during exercise, it could be a sign that you're dehydrated. Proper hydration helps keep your muscles functioning effectively. Make sure to hydrate before, during, and after physical activity to prevent those painful cramps. Now that we've covered the signs of dehydration, let's talk about how to fix it. Here are some practical tips. Drink water regularly. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and more if you're active or in hot weather. Keep a water bottle with you to make it easier. Eat hydrating foods. Incorporate fruits and vegetables with high water content into your diet, like cucumbers, oranges, and watermelon. They not only hydrate you, but also provide essential nutrients. Set reminders. If you often forget to drink water, set reminders on your phone or use apps that track your hydration. It can help you stay on top of your fluid intake. Flavor your water. If plain water isn't doing it for you, try adding slices of lemon, lime, or cucumber. Herbal teas are also a great way to increase your hydration. Monitor your activity levels. Pay attention to how much you're sweating during workouts. Increase your fluid intake on days when you exercise more vigorously. So there you have it. 8 signs of dehydration and how to combat it. Staying hydrated is essential for your overall well-being, and recognizing these signs can help you take action before things get worse. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. I'd love to hear your thoughts. How do you stay hydrated? Share your tips in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy, hydrated, and happy.